Here is problem 1. Problem 1 says, Mr. Baggy owns a pet store. He counted 10 goldfish in a big tank and 5 goldfish in a small tank. He sold 8 goldfish out of the big tank. How many goldfish did he have left in all? Explain your answer using a labeled math drawing and a number sentence. And you've got to complete the statement down here. So we've got Mr. Baggy, and he owns a pet store. At that pet store, he has 10 goldfish in a big tank and 5 goldfish in a small tank. So 10 are in the big one, 5 are in the small one. He sold 8 of them out of the big tank. So 8 of them from the big tank are gone. I need you to figure out how many goldfish he has left in all. You must explain your answer using a labeled math drawing. So when you draw your groups, make sure you label which is a big tank and which is a small tank. After you know how many are left in all, in both tanks, after he sold 8, please also write a number sentence and tell me how many goldfish are left in the statement. So labeled math drawing and a number sentence.